John Deere 750 no-till drill. Here's your dolly wheels. Yetter markers. It's got a light package. This also has a tarp. It's inside the boxes there. The boxes are clean. We've got a picture of those. Boxes are clean. Still got quite a bit of paint on them. This machine is field ready. Very nice machine. Now we have got, these are brand new rubber seed boots. And I will have these installed before you get it, but you know, it doesn't even necessarily need them, but found a little crack here or there and wanted to make it right, so we got right there, every one of them. I'll have them replaced for you. John Deere 750. Help yourself there, folks.